Hazrat Ali gave pieces of advice to Muhammad bin Abi Bakr while handing over him the government of Egypt. Fakfiz lahum janahaka. Behave people showing good manners. Wa asi bainahum fi lahzati wa nazrati. Seeing all of them, whether they are rich or poor, with one eye. Hatta la yatma al uzama'u fi hayfika lahum. So that big elite people don't expect unjust favor from you. Wala yab'asa du'afa'u min adlika alayhim. Small poor people should not be disappointed by your justice and fairness compared to these elite big people. Wala taskhitillaha birida ahad min khalqihi. Don't displease Allah Almighty to please any of the creatures. Salli salat ali waqtiha. Offer the prayer on time. Hazrat Ali further said to him, I have deliberation about that person. Yaqulu ma ta'rifuna. Who says that which you think is good. Wa yaf'alu ma tunkirun. And the door is the one whom you think is bad.